Tower, Cessna 172, Bravo Sierra Victor, ready 17 left for an overhead departure for city orbits.
Bravo Sierra Victor, line up.
Lining up, Bravo Sierra Victor. We've upgraded the lights, they are really bright now. You'll see what I mean. And on upwind, after I take off, I'll be 100% on instruments.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll need to concentrate on this bit.
Bravo Sierra Victor, traffic upwind, Cessna remaining in the circuit, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, copy traffic, Bravo Sierra Victor. Okay, full power. Speeds come alive. All temperatures and pressures are in the green. 50 knots. 60. And 100% on instruments. 10 degrees nose up. That shake was just a shudder of the wheels. They're a little bit out of balance and they keep spinning.
Yeah.
So as they slow down, you get a little bit of a shudder like that. 70 degrees. You can see my traffic out there on the left. 500 feet, 80 knot climb. 500. Around, gentle turn.
Your strobes on?
Ah, good man, thank you. Always forget that. That to come around to here. Roll it out. Keep climbing. He's staying in the circuit, so he's going to level off at 1,000.
He's just doing touch and goes, is he?
Yep. Now, seeing he's a bit out there, I'll keep going. I'll keep climbing until I'm about out with him.
Good evening, helicopter Kilo XXA C120 is approaching inland Brighton 2100. We have information Yankee for Golf if available.
Foxtrot November, early downwind, touch and go.
Kilo X-ray, Moorabbin Tower, good day, you can join final for taxiway Golf.
Final for taxiway Golf, Kilo XXA.
Kilo Foxtrot November, I think it was, say again.
Kilo Foxtrot November, late downwind,
And there's
touch
the
and go.
runway down there.
Kilo Foxtrot November, number 1.
Kilo Foxtrot November.
1,500 feet. I'm going to come around and head in the direction of Albert Park.
Good for 9 for it.
That is a beauty, isn't it? Look at it. Perfect. Now I've got to be at 2,200 at least, within 3 miles of the airport. Shall be easy because I'm right over the top of it now. Okay, 1198. Here's the airport down there, if you can see over my shoulder, at the back
Bravo
of the
Sierra
road.
Victor, opposition traffic, helicopter is slightly right over 12 o'clock at about 3 or 4 miles inbound from the CBD. On descent from 2,200 unverified.
Apologies, was that for Bravo Sierra Victor?
Bravo Sierra Victor, A firm, traffic, helicopter, 4 miles, maybe slightly right over 12 o'clock. Inbound at 2,200 unverified at the moment, they'll be on descent shortly once you're inside the zone.
Bravo Sierra Victor, traffic sighted, thank you.
Kilo X-ray obstruction traffic, Cessna mile north of the field, tracking for the CBD at climb to 2,500.
Kilo XXA visual.
Essendon Tower, Cessna 172, Bravo Sierra Victor, 3 miles to the south of Albert Park Lake. With Delta, request 1 right-hand city orbit.
Bravo Sierra Victor, Essendon Tower, good evening. Cleared to the Balti Bridge for right city orbit 2,500.
Cleared to the Balti Bridge for a right city orbit 2,500, Bravo Sierra Victor. got to climb.
Essendon Grand, g'day, ambulance 318's Port Shepparton, request clearance.
Ambulance 318 Essendon, good evening. Clear to Shepparton via Melbourne, Mangalore, planned route. Essendon 7 departure, climb via the SID to 3000, code to come.
Cleared to ship via Melbourne, Mangalore, planned route, Essendon 7, 3000, ambulance 318.
It's a really good height to have a look around. You know, like the big planes. You're up at 30,000 and you fucking can't see it.
Right. So you can see the spires lit up in blue on the Arts Centre there.
Yep.
And the Rialto, the blue around the top of it.
Yes.
Sierra Victor traffic, you'll see
Aussie 1378, you make cancel speed restrictions.
Cessna 172.
Bravo Sierra Victor, say again.
Traffic, south of Flemington Racecourse, heading southbound is another Cessna.
Traffic sighted, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Victor Tango Hotel traffic over the Balti Bridge, another Cessna doing a city orbit.
We got a visual, Victor Tango Hotel.
There's Docklands down there. With the yellow lights on.
Yeah, I'm just wondering what that lighting is.
It might be growing the grass, who knows?
I hope so. Playing in Adelaide tonight, aren't they?
Yeah. We'll just go out past the MCG and then back around to the coast.
At a time. Phone. It's better. The flash is useless. What am I doing?
You don't want the flash on.
I want the flash on. We'll turn it off.
There's the MCG, just want to get it on the right hand side.
Bit of a video as well.
Victor Tango Hotel control service.
Oh, stop it.
Victor Tango Hotel. Thanks very much for your help tonight and good night, Victor Tango Hotel.
No problem, see you next time.
Insane that they let us do this.
It is. Don't they know better?
Yeah. I'd hope so, but not really. Now they're going to call me to say control service terminated in a second, so I'll need to listen out.
G'day, ambulance 318, IFR in receipt of Delta with 2 Power Bear, request taxi.
Ambulance 318 ground taxi, holding point Tango, runway 17.
Point Tango 17, ambulance 318.
Bravo Sierra Victor, control service terminated.
Control service terminated, Bravo Sierra Victor, thanks.